this is Joe. Looking at bike number 3, part of our I-29 Greater Dakota bike build-off. This one, some of the key features on this bike, we took the stock rims were taken and powder-coated orange, then highlighted with an orange pinstripe. We did the powder-coated black lower legs, but left the soup cans, the chrome. It also has the new LED insert from Harley-Davidson and the turn signals, as well as the LED headlight installed on this particular one. As we turn, you can see that it does have the 14-inch monkey bars, as well as the Get a Grip black grips. This bike also is going to have a different air cleaner cover there. It's going to have the high flow chisel air cleaner in gloss black. On the other side, you don't see it, but we also did the plug wires in orange. If you look, the rocker boxes were powder coated, the tops were powder coated black, timer cover is black. The exhaust on this particular bike is going to be the MagnaFlow K-Cut chrome muffler with black end cap to give it a little louder sound. Once again, if you come to the left, you can see that it does have the powder-coated outer primary in the black. The spark plug wires are in the orange. And then we replaced the floorboards were replaced with forward controls on this particular bike. So the saddlebag rails were also powder coated in the orange. So once again, this is bike number 3. If this is the bike you like, we encourage you to stop on in, take a look, and vote for your favorite. Once again, voting is at Jana Harley-Davidson through this Saturday. And just by voting, you're entered to win a $100 gift card that'll be given away mid-April. So encourage you to stop in and take a look.
Something's got to give. This ain't no way to live. Put me on a highway, the interstate, a dirt road to any place. Long as I'm long